Hey guys, I'm making a quick video here to show you guys this Fossil watch I just picked up from Macy's. They just had their Black Friday and July sales, but they had a pretty good deal on it, so I picked this up. Here's what the box looks like. One-handed. Whoa. Alrighty. So this is what the watch looks like. I really like this because I have black watches, but I needed something that's a little bit more casual that I can wear with jeans. And the contrast on this I really liked. You have the silver with the blue and the cognac or brown. Here's the back of the strap, genuine leather, 22mm Fossil. As for the strap, I forget what the technical name is for these, but this one is, stitched on, and then this one's mobile, so you can adjust this to however long the band is on the other side when you strap it or buckle it. Here's a tag for it. It's normally $145. I picked it up for about $90. However, on Samsung Pay, they had a deal where if you order through Samsung Pay, it's another 10% back cash back. So I got a pretty good deal on it. So let me know in the comments what you guys think of this. If you have this, I would love to know what you normally wear it with or what your thoughts are on it. So thank you. Like, comment, subscribe. Thanks.